One of the things that I love about this time of year, springtime, is that all the flowers are in bloom. And one of my favorite places to go when I want to take photographs of flowers in bloom is the San Jose Municipal Rose Garden. This place is just, it's really remarkable and it gets so crowded, especially on weekends. I'm fortunate. I'm retired. I can go during the day when there's not as many crowds there. But this is just, it just seems thousands and thousands of different roses in various rows. And you've got your volunteers out there working every day. They do it for free. It's also a free community park that you can go visit. If you're in San Jose or in Northern California, make sure that you check it out. And I'll have a link to it in the notes section below. But what I did was I took my 3 Lensbaby lenses out there. I wanted to essentially compare shooting these roses with each one of these lenses, make a comparison for the same subject, the same time of day, the same pretty much aperture. There's an exception with this, I'll explain in a second. Same shutter speed, ISO. And what I did was I probably took a little over 150 photos, and I took what I thought were some of the best photos. I tried to keep it down to 6. So I have 18 photos, 6 each with these lenses. Started with the Lensbaby Velvet 56. And this lens, if you're not familiar with it, it's probably the most common Lensbaby out there, or maybe the most popular Lensbaby. This one, this Velvet 56, it creates a really nice soft focus. It has this dreamy look, it's like a velvety blur to it. Really nice photographs with this one. Now, this one here is the Composer Pro with Sweet Optic 50. And this one has a little bit of a uniqueness. It actually can bend 30 degrees in left, right, or even up or down. When you're shooting straight on with this lens, you really will get a very sharp center focus. But if you twist this to 30 degrees, left or right, you will see some really creative type of what I would say photographs out there, creative artwork. And then finally, I took the Twist 28. This is Lensbaby's newest lens. This one is a 3.5 aperture. It's not going to change anything with the aperture. That's why I was saying that these I probably shot mainly around 5, 6, but this one you're only going to shoot at 3.5. This lens here creates a really cool twist effect. So what I'd like to do is I want to show you what I took, and I'd like you to let me know what lens you think that worked really the best. But bottom line is that when it comes to Lensbaby lenses, there's really no right or wrong answer. It's all based upon your own creativity. This is why we shoot. This is why we go out and we take pictures. It's based upon our own creativity. We're only out there to really, I think, impress ourselves, not anybody else. At least that's what I am. So anyway, let's take a look at what I got and let me know in the comments what you think. So I hope you found this video fun, informative, useful. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification as I do upload new videos every week, and I'd hate for you to miss one. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.